y'all, it's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenlyerra, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a minimalist apartment haul. Now that the stores are opening back up, I was able to go out and get a few things. I didn't get a lot this time, and I didn't get everything that I really needed. So I'm gonna have to go back eventually, and I'll just add that to another video. But I just wanted to go ahead and get this out of the way. I got some plants. If you guys watched my latest vlog, then you'll see that I went plant shopping, but I also got some more. And I just got some things that I needed around the house to put up on the walls and different things like that. If you've seen my other apartment tour or anything else involved in my apartment, you know that I really don't have anything on my walls. I'm trying to go ahead and do this as quickly as possible because the sun is going down and I love natural lighting now. Okay, so I guess we could start at Big Lots. So I went to do two different ones and I still didn't get a lot of things, but I'm going to show you all exactly what I got. All right, so first item I got is this white wooden like picture. It's not a picture frame, but it's someplace for you to post your pictures. So you'll see this here is like an example. So it comes with these wooden clips here. I'm going to eventually get some more because they only give you 5, and I know I'm going to put more than 5 pictures on here. So you actually use the clips here and place the pictures on the ropes that's tied around. I thought this was a really freaking cute. It gives me an opportunity to put some pictures up of me, my family, and my friends. So I had to get this. The next item is another wooden frame. It says love you more right here in the corner, and it has this clip thing right here so you can clip the picture on here. I got this so I could put a picture of my parents in here. So this is a floating wall shelf, and it's gray and wooden. So of course I'm gonna have to get a few things that's gonna go on top, probably like 3 things, nothing major to go on here. I thought this was gonna go with everything as well. All right, the sun's going down, so let me. So the next thing that I got is another wall shelf. It is in a rectangular, circular, so the corners are circular, but it's rectangle. And the bottom piece is the brown wood. I felt like this was super cool. And again, I have to get some things that's gonna go right here, on here. I also got this flower pot. It's like a stone, gray stone, and I just love the details and stuff on it. And y'all know I'm a plant mom now, so I needed something fancy to put my babies in. I'll go ahead and show you this. Even though I didn't get it from Big Lots, I got it from Home Depot. This is my lily. Isn't it so gorgeous? Ugh. It's so cute. So I had to get an even cuter flower pot for it to go in. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. I also got a grow kit. So it provides you with everything that you need to grow aloe plant in here in this cute flower pot. I really love the details on the flower pot as well, so that's another reason why I got it, and I really wanted aloe. So I'm also trying to learn how to grow stuff. Okay, so that's all that I got from Big Lots. From Walmart, I just got this trowel so I can dig up my plant soil and take care of my babies. I got this cute flower pot here for my new plant. After I went to Big Lots and I got that aloe grow plant thing, I saw this in Walmart, so I got the real aloe plant here. So I'm gonna put my aloe plant in this cute flower pot. See what I'm doing here? I also got this fan from Walmart. It's just a small little fan. It blows really well. I got this because it's been very hot outside, and I'm not trying to put my air on all day on the highest, well not the highest, but the lowest, because it's so freaking hot, and I don't have time for that light bill. So you feel me? You feel me? All right, so we're moving on to a different store. Y'all know I live my 5 Below, so I had to go there. So this is an imitation plant. I got this so I can put it on one of those shelves that I bought. So we're gonna see how that goes with that. I saw these cute pictures because I couldn't find any pictures in Big Lots or Walmart. So I found these wooden frames, and it has this leaf in it, and it's so freaking cute. I feel like it's cute. So I bought 2 of these. This is gonna probably go in my room. I also got me another inflatable ottoman because my other one got a hole in it. How? I don't know. When? I don't know. But it has a hole in it, so I got a new one. I still already have the cover, so I didn't have to get another one. It's still the beige cover that I have. Luckily, they still had some more. I got this cute incense holder. So freaking cute. Lastly, I just got this because I felt like I needed it. I'll be struggling in the bathroom when I take a shower. Anyway, I got a shower speaker. And I like this because you could take calls on it. You could skip through your music. You could turn your volume up. You could do everything with this speaker. So I feel like this was a necessity in the shower because if you like me, I like to listen to music and whatnot in the shower. So I got that. Alright, so that is all for this mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next video.